Okay, you have to remember these steps you learned when you were still in grade 3. 1, read and understand the problem. Second, you analyze the problem, what you know and what you need to find out. Number 3, write the relevant number sentence. And number 4, you have to solve the problem. When you analyze the problem, number 2, you should know the keyword. Why you have to know the keyword? You have to know the keyword so that you know what operation should be used.
Because we will know how to pass or
Yeah,
minus.
that's right. You know when to add or you know when to subtract. Since we're going to concentrate on addition and subtractions, you have idea that it's only addition and subtraction.
Here this is workbook or textbooks.
Textbook. Okay. On page 28.
Page 29
Okay.
or 20.
28. Okay, let's
Okay.
start with the first example. On that page, okay, I will read for you. A manufacturer produced 225,946 shirts in 2017. The manufacturer also produced 100,735 dresses in the same year. What was the total number of clothes produced by the manufacturer in 2017? So we did the first step, which is reading and understanding the problem. Second, we need to analyze the problem by finding the keyword. What is the keyword?
Total.
Very good. So it's so easy. Total. And then what do you need to find out? The total number of clothes produced by the manufacturer in 2007. So look at this. The number sentence should be 225,946 plus 100,785 is equal to blank. Okay, so you can do the description part using this the quotation symbol colon. So this is the colon. Look at this colon. Okay. Number shirts produced. Number of dresses produced. The colon. Total clothes produced. So what symbol is this? What quotation? Quotation mark is this? Colon. Okay. And then after that, you do the usual thing, which is the addition of the numbers. Okay, so this is the number 225,946. And then the second number is 100,785. This. And then 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 8 is 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 plus 7 is 17. 1 over 5. 5 plus 1 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And then you have to write the final answer. Okay. The total number of clothes produced by the manufacturer in 2017 was 326,731. So if you have to write this completely, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, in your test or in your quiz, you'll get 5 points. Okay? Because it's a word problem. But if your answer, your working is written only like this encircled part, you will get only 1 point. So you choose. You want 1 point or you want 5 points? Of course, you want 5 points. Okay, let's go to the next number or next page. Okay, when you were still in grade 3, I would like to repeat the first example. Instead of using colon, you can use the full stop or the period quotation mark. the period. So I'm going to use again the first example. A manufacturer produced 225,946 shirts in 2017. So this part is called the number sentence. Everybody say number sentence.
Number sentence.
Yes, this part is called the number sentence. This is very important because this number sentence tells us what to do, or this number sentence is our guide in solving or in doing the working. So moving on, look at this style. A manufacturer produced space 225,946 space shirts in 2017. Then you can see the full stop or the period, right? So a while ago, we used the other style, which is using the colon. So how do we describe 100,785? So the second line, it also produced space 100,785 space dresses in the same year period. There were space 326,731 total number of clothes, full stop. There should be full stop here. Here, full stop, period. Okay. And then if you add this, the answer, there were 326,731 total number of clothes produced by the manufacturer in 2017. Of course, don't forget the writing the operation, okay? Writing the operation here, plus, and then you have to underline this, and the final answer should be underlined twice. Like that. Okay, do you understand how to answer or solve word problems using addition operation? Okay.
I understand.
You understand. Okay, you've been doing this since grade 3, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, now let's go to the second page or the next page. So remember, before we continue, I would like to repeat. The working part should have the following. 1, number sentence part. The number sentence part. Turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. Who is talking? Otto, please turn off your mic. Thank you so much. Okay, so these are the 3 things you have to remember, the 3 parts of the word problem solving. These are 1, the number sentence part. The second one, the description part. And then the third one, the final answer part. Everybody say, number sentence. 2, the description. And the third, the final answer. Okay. So I will repeat the important steps to solve word problems. As you see on your textbook on page 28. 1, read and understand the problem. 2, analyze the problem. What do you know? What do you need to find out? 3, decide what operations to use. 4, write the relevant number sentence. And number 5, show the working done to find the answer. Okay. On page 28, M, would you like to read number 1?
Yes.
Please read. Okay, you have to read now. 1, 2, 3, go.
On Monday, the MRT in Bangkok carries 260,000 195 passengers. On Tuesday, it carries to 259,367 passengers. How many passengers in total did the MRT carry of the 2 days?
Okay, so first is read and understand the word problem. That's the first step, right? Second is analyze the problem. Okay. And then the third, you have to decide what operation to use. So what operation should we use? Anyone can answer. Is it addition? Plus, or addition? Very good, students. Okay. Since this is plus, then our number sentence should be, okay, I'm going to show you. First, get your pencil. I want you to write also what I'm going to write. Okay, first, working. And then the number sentence should be, you just copy the numbers, very important. 352,726 plus 384,935 is equal to, and then a rectangle. Okay, so this is our number sentence. Okay, this is the number sentence. Let's go now to the word description part, or the description part. Let's describe 352,726. Okay. Anyone who wants to describe the number 352,276? You can click raise hand if you want.
Sure, may I go to the toilet?
No, later, please. Let's finish number 2. Okay, so teacher Chris is going to show you. So you have the technique there, class, is just look at the sentences in the paragraph. It will give you idea what to write. So I'm going to write a factory produced space 352,726 space bars of soap in 2014. Bars of soap in 2014. So that's 1 point. So 2 points now, because number sentence 1 point, second line 2 points. Okay, next. Next line, who wants to answer? Who wants to describe 384,935? No one. So teacher is going to answer the second line. The second line should be it. You can use the pronoun it. It produced space. Wait. 384,935 bars space. Are you writing? I hope everyone is writing also, okay? Of soap in the following year. So what's the following year? of 2014. Of course, it's 2015. So in 2015, and then full stop. Okay. Then after that, we are going to go to the third line. The third line is when we add, look at the question. How many bars of soap did the factory produce in total? So you can write the factory produced, or it produced then space, and then let's add. This is number 2, okay? Number 2. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. And then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Carry 1, or 1 over 2 and 4 column. And then 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And then 8 plus 5 is 13. 6, 7, I'm sorry. So this is 7, right? Because we need to add. So this one is 6. Look, you have to be very careful with the number above. Okay, 6. Then there's no carry this time. 13, this is 3. 13, carry 1. So 7. So how do you describe the sum or the total? Okay, space. It produced bars of soap in total. That's it. As simple as that. And then right here below the final answer, ANSWER colon, and then you have to copy the same sentence as in the third line of the description part. But this time there's no space. It produced space 737,661 bars of soap in 2 years, or just say total. Okay, the shorter your sentence, the better. Okay, are you done? And of course, don't forget to underline your final answer. And also underline this, 737,661 twice. This, like this. And don't forget, very important, the plus symbol. And it's perfect. It's perfect now. So if we have test, I'm going to give you 5 points if you write all of this. Okay. 1 point, another 1 point, 3 points, 4 points, and 5 points. Since you are doing it, since you are writing now the answer, and if you are finished, please write 5 on that page so that when we go to school, teacher can easily see your points. Teacher will sign that page as soon as we go to school. You understand? Okay, let's go back to number 1. Okay, I'm going to count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go back to number 1. On Monday, the MRT in Bangkok carried 260,195 passengers. On Tuesday, it carried 259,367 passengers. How many passengers in total did the MRT carry? Yes, you can go. This was read by M. Okay, so now I'm M. Where is M? Okay, going back to M. What should be our number sentence for number 1?
On Monday, the MRT in Bangkok.
No, it should be
The MRT in Bangkok carries 260,100.
I mean the the number sentence first. The number sentence first.
Oh, number sentence.
Yes. What's the number?
260,195 plus 259,367
is equal to blank, right? Very good. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so 1 point. Okay, second step is the description part. Who wants to volunteer? You can click raise hand here so I know who's going to give me the first sentence. Going to give me the first sentence. So, M, turn off your microphone after answering Teacher Chris. Thank you. Okay. So who wants to volunteer? Who wants to give me? Ping Pong, do you want to answer the second line? The first part of the description part? Ping Pong. What should be what should you write about 260,195?
I don't know.
I don't know, minus 1 point. You try. I'm going to wait for you. You try. Teacher is going to wait for you. Come on. Don't answer, I don't know. Ping Pong, you try. Ping Pong, teacher and your classmates are waiting. Baibon, do you want to help? Do you want to say Ping Pong? Baibon.
Yes, I want to help. But wait, I'll get my book first.
Oh, I told you from the very beginning, you need to prepare. That's it. Okay, so what should be our first sentence describing 260,195? Remember, the shorter the sentence, the better.
The MRT in Bangkok carry 260,195 passengers.
Very good. The MRT in Bangkok carried space 260,195 passengers. How about the day? Is the day very important?
No, I think not. Not important.
I think if the space is enough, it's important. Still important. On Monday. Yeah. Okay.
Fine. Long.
Very long. Now, it's not what's written always on the paragraph. So sometimes you can change it into, maybe you can say on Monday, the MRT carried 260,195 passengers. Stop. That's it. You can also write that way. Or another style is You can say in Bangkok, comma, you can do like this. In Bangkok, comma, the MRT carried 260,195 passengers on Monday. Or look at me. Teacher is going to change. On Monday, there were. Oh, see? To make the English shorter, the English sentence shorter. So look, like this, and then delete. So the idea is still there, right? The idea is still
Yes.
there. You can shorten the sentence. You understood?
Understand.
Yes. Okay. Now the second line. On Tuesday, so you need to write on Tuesday,
On Tuesday,
comma, there
there
were
and 259,267 passengers.
Very good. Space and passengers. Very lovely. And the third line, look at the question part. How many passengers in total did the MRT carry for the 2 days? So what do you think is going to be the best or the shortest sentence?
I know the
There
answer.
There were.
I think first. There were. What? I'll get the paper and fly.
There were. Okay, since time is not enough or limited, teacher is going to help you. There were a total of. You can say this way. There were a total of space.
519,562.
Very good. Okay, 519,562. Then passengers. Okay, get your pencils and continue copying.
Okay. I understand.
Thank you, Baibon. Okay. And then rewrite this part. You have to rewrite this part here. You write the answer part, which is very important. Answer colon. So just copy the third line or the last line. There were a total of 519 passengers. Stop. Okay. It doesn't matter. The sentence doesn't matter. Anyway, it's in the paragraph already. So I don't care if you have different sentence structure. Okay, you can actually change this answer into there were a total of, you can say the MRT, you can say like this. You can also change to the MRT carried a total of 519 passengers for the 2 days. This one is also accepted, right? The MRT carried a total of 519 passengers for the 2 days. That is also accepted. Or to make it simple, just copy the same. What you have written on the third line is the same. So you can just write, there were a total of. There were a total of 519 passengers for the 2 days. Or for passengers. You have to delete these words. So it's okay. Anyway, it's in the paragraph. So if you completed the 3 requirements, like the number sentence, the number sentence, the description part, And the answer part, you again will get another 5 points. Do you understand, students? Okay, I'm going to count 10 backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now it's your turn to do it by yourselves. Okay, I want you to bring out your workbook. Okay, on page, what page is that? On page 19. Okay, get ready. On page 19 of your workbook, class, you have to try. There are how many questions? One, two. On pages 19 and 20. Okay, can I go now to the next page of my PowerPoint slide?
Page 19 in workbook.
Yes.
Letter D.
Yes.
Letter D.
Yes. Okay. So this one, workbook, pages 19 and 20. We have 5 questions. You have to do the same. Okay, so get your pencils. You have to work, okay? We still have 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Okay, I'm going to help you with maybe number 1. Do you want me to help you with number 1? Okay, so look at number 1. I'm going to answer for you. So number 1, ping pong. Are you writing ping pong?
Yes, I will.
I can.
Pencil now, but I find my pencil.
Okay.
Pencil. Yeah. Yeah.
Akira, are you writing? I can see Jiao Pun writing. Very good. And Dim, Rod Falk. Okay, very good. Okay, you can start.
What page?
I told already. 19 and 20. Okay, you can choose. For example, if you don't know number 1, skip number 2. Skip number 1 and go to number 2. You have to choose what number you want to answer first, and then
Skip number 5.
and then you go back to the number which you find easier. Okay, so for example, number 1, Teacher Chris is going to answer. So after reading and analyzing the word problem, I'm going to write the number sentence first. The number sentence first. Please write here working or solving, WOR. Okay, and then the number sentence is going to be 24,600 plus 18,750 is equal to, where is the rectangular here? Okay, so leave it blank. Okay, then ping pong. Where is ping pong? Ping pong, because you said I don't know. It's not okay. It's not okay to say I don't know. So I want you to answer again. You try again. What should be the first sentence here?
The cost of.
Yes. The cost of. Just copy what's in the paragraph, right?
Yes.
Yes.
House
is. Yes. Okay. See? So next time, don't say I don't know. You have to try. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Lovely now. Capital letter B because it's money. BAHT. And so I hope the space is enough. Okay. Next. I want, Bybon is finished. M participated already. I want Con, do you want to participate?
Yes.
Okay, what should be the second sentence?
The cost of digging a fish pond.
The cost of digging a fish pond. Do you know what is a fish pond?
Like this. That I mean the pond that's dig and put water in and just and what we call it free the fish there.
Yes.
And you need to check every time that did the fish die.
Okay. Fish pond is actually where the fish live. Okay.
750 baht.
750 baht. Okay. And then don't forget the full stop. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. And make sure the numbers are properly aligned. When I say properly aligned, straight line the columns of the place values. And then when we add this, okay, what sentence should we write describing the sum or the total? Con.
Oh,
Look at the question part. What is the total cost?
the total cost
The total cost is, then space, and then
53,250 baht.
53. It's not 53.
Wait, sis. Wait, please, I will first. I
Yeah.
will.
Sure. I will give you time. Okay.
Sure.
I know now.
I know now. I know now.
Sure, I know now.
Okay,
I know the answer now.
okay, everybody, what is the answer? 1, 2, 3. 350 baht. Okay. So we are done. We are done with the description part. So let's go to the final
Teacher, because
answer part.
I forgot to plus the last one number in the hundreds.
It's all right, Con.
I forgot.
Okay.
I forgot and I counted only 5.
It's all right. That's why sometimes in mathematics, what's our number one rule? Slow but sure. Okay, so just copy the third sentence. The total cost is 43,350 baht.